Learn about a country every day. Democratic Republic of Congo. It is also called Congo-Kinshasa. It is located in Central Africa. It is known as the Heart of Africa. It shares borders with 9 other countries. Its land area is nearly 2.35 million square kilometers. It is the second largest country in Africa, after Algeria. It is also the largest country in sub-Saharan Africa. The country is divided into 26 provinces. Its capital, Kinshasa, sits on one bank of the Congo River. Right across the river is Brazzaville, the capital of the Republic of Congo, even though the straight-line distance between them is actually less than 7 kilometers. This makes them the closest capital cities in the world. However, there are no bridges connecting them. You have to take boats to cross. From Matadi, the capital of Congo Central Province at the lower Congo River, to the Atlantic Ocean, lies the country's only access to the sea. So while the DRC seems like a landlocked country, it actually has a coastline measuring 37 kilometers long. Banana Port is its only seaport. It also has river ports like Matadi and Boma. However, overland transportation in the country is relatively underdeveloped. DR Congo had a 5,000-kilometer railway network. Most of it was built during the colonial era, after years of neglect. Only small sections are still operational today. As for roads, only about 2% are paved roads. Fortunately, Congo has many rivers. The Congo River is the longest river in the country. It carries the second largest amount of water in the world, after Brazil's Amazon River. Over half of this country can be reached by traveling on its rivers. Therefore, water transport is a major way of traveling in Congo. Geographically, a key feature is naturally the Congo Basin. It is the largest basin in Africa. It spreads across 6 African countries. It is also home to the world's second largest tropical rainforest, after the Amazon, the Congo rainforest. Because of this, forests cover more than 50% of the DRC. Of course, lots of wildlife lives here, and many species are found only in this region, like the unusual-looking okapi. Surrounding the basin are higher plateaus and mountains. For example, the Mitumba Mountains in the east, and the Lunda Plateau and Katanga Plateau in the south. Also, because the east is near the East African Rift, lakes and volcanoes are common here. Besides Lake Kivu and Lake Tanganyika, there are also Africa's 2 most active volcanoes, Nyiragongo and Nyamurajara. Nyiragongo's crater is about 2,000 meters wide. Inside it is the world's largest lava lake. Mount Stanley, located on the border with Uganda, is the highest point for both countries and the 3rd highest peak in Africa. This area is also the country's main mining region. The DRC has extremely rich mineral resources. Its copper reserves account for 15% of the world's total. Its cobalt reserves make up 50% of the world's supply. It holds 80% of the world's coltan. Its diamond reserves are about 206 million carats. It also has significant iron ore and oil and gas resources. Regarding population, the country has over 100 million people. It is the 4th most populous country in Africa. There are 254 ethnic groups nationwide. Over 60 of them are major groups. French is the official language. It is also the world's largest French-speaking country. Besides that, there are about 250 local languages spoken. The main ones are Lingala, Swahili, and Kikongo. 50% of the population follows Catholicism. 20% are Protestant Christians. Islam and Kimbanguism each account for 10%. The rest follow various indigenous religions. In conclusion, the DRC has a vast territory and abundant resources. Its reserves of minerals, forests, and fresh water all rank among the highest in the world. But at the same time, it is one of the world's least developed countries. Its levels of technology, education, healthcare, and infrastructure are relatively weak. It also has security problems. It is an African nation with both great development opportunities and significant social challenges.